Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing MSI Afterburner completely, check the system tray, and exit the app. Back up any custom profiles or OSD screenshots so you don't lose settings. Copy them to Documents or Desktop. Then open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, and locate MSI Afterburner in the list. This method uses Windows' built-in uninstaller. It's reliable because it removes registered components and updates the system registry. Once there, you're ready to begin the actual uninstall. You click Uninstall or Change and follow the program prompts. Choose to remove user data only if you want a clean slate. Pay attention to options about Riva Tuner Statistics Server. Uninstall it too if you no longer need on-screen monitoring. The uninstaller removes files and registry entries. Wait for it to finish. If asked to restart, make sure to save other work and reboot. This finalizes file and driver release. After reboot, verify the program directory, and app data entries are gone. Once rebooted, you should delete any leftover MSI Afterburner folders and program files and app data to ensure complete removal. Empty the recycle bin after. If you see lingering drivers or services, open Device Manager and uninstall related entries, then restart. Make sure Windows updates and GPU drivers remain intact. Reinstall GPU drivers if necessary. If the uninstaller fails or Afterburner still runs, reboot into safe mode and run the uninstaller again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.